we confirmed receipt of the subpoena duces tecum last night at around 7:30 p.m. And we filed our compliance this morning, Your Honors. And in our compliance, it
Are you telling us
requires
that we're in fact already in receipt of the documents requested by Minority Leader Pimentel?
some of the documents are there, Your Honor, and it requires an explanation. And Mr. Oñate would explain as to the submission of the names of the contributors. He indeed sought the consent of his contributors, but unfortunately, they refused to allow him to divulge his names. And that's why Mr. Oñate was unable to continue, because what actually happened was he was forced to return their contributions. And we attach in our compliance the withdrawal slips showing that Mr. Oñate withdrew some substantial amounts and returned the contributions of some of his friends, Your Honors. That's what happened.
Ang sinasabi mo, palibhasa hindi kayo makapag-produce ng mga donor, withdraw na lamang yung pera at sinoli na lang ng solo ni Mr.
Turn
Oñate.
their
Ganun po ba yung
contributions,
nangyari?
Madam Senator.
Madam Chair.
Parang nalalabuan po ako.
Madam
Ano ba
Chair.
nangyari? Paliwanag po natin. Si Senator Binay mukhang nalilito rin po.
Hindi, Madam Chair, siguro magandang tanongin yung BIR. Sa ganitong transaction, wala pa ba yung BIR? Okay.
Madam Chair.
Yes po. I think there's a question muna. Mr. Oñate, tama po ba yung pagkaintindi namin na palibhasa wala yung mga donor o hindi kayo pinayagan na ibigay yung pangalan nila, sinagot na lang ninyo. So withdraw ninyo yung kalahati ng 55 at kayo na rin ang sumagot nun. Tama nga po ba?
Yes, that's what I did.
Kasi nahihilo po ako sa billing statement, hindi po tugma dun sa sinabi ninyo. Ang sabi po ninyo, ang halaga ng TV ad nasa 55 million. Ang unang pagkaintindi namin, 27.5 million.
I think I withdrew a little bit more than that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero, ang nalilito ako po rito dahil yung billing statement ng Ghana nasa 211 million 935 million, tama ba to? 786. Ba't lumobo to? Yung 55 million na dapat 27.5 million lamang, ngayon lumaki pa sa 211 million at higit. Yes
Madam
po.
Chair, that's a very sharp observation. But let me explain. The quotation there, the 211 million plus, was a quotation for an 8-week TV ad campaign. And what Mr. Oñate paid, that 55 million represents payment for only 2 weeks, Madam Chair. You know, unang na-raise na amount, 55 million. That was good for 2 weeks. But unfortunately, it aired only for a few days. Thank you, Madam Chair.